Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, BVR-AAM missile to be tested on Rafale jets. India and France are gearing up for joint trials of the Astra missile on Rafale fighter jets later this year. The trials will begin with captive flight tests, where the missile is carried but not launched, and progress to live firing exercises like starting next year. This development follows a 2022 Memorandum of Understanding signed by Bharat Dynamics Limited and Dassault Aviation Limited. This agreement paves the way for the integrating Indian-made weapon system onto the rifle jets. Next, local production of UAVs in India. India's military is acquiring advanced unmanned aerial vehicles to enhance its surveillance and tactical capabilities. This comes after Adani Defence delivered 4 indigenously produced Hermes 900 drones produced by the Indian Army and Navy. The Hermes 900 is a medium-sized multi-payload long-endurance UAV designed for tactical missions. The Indian Air Force, however, opted for the Heron Mk2, a medium-altitude long-endurance male UAV, acquiring 4 units. Next, Tejas Mk2 and MK. India needs to learn from LCA Tejas program mistakes to drive exports and marketing. India's defense sector is at critical junction with the Tejas Mk2 and MK programs. While these initiative promises to elevate India's indigenous defense capabilities, lessons from the delays and negative perception surrounding the LCA Tejas Mk1 program underscore the importance of timely production and effective marketing strategies. To avoid repeating past mistakes and to secure a strong position in the international export market, India must invest in private sector production lines and adopt robust marketing tactics. Next, gearing up with 8,000 new AK-203 rifles. The Indian Army is set to receive a fresh batch of nearly 8,000 AK-203 assault rifles manufactured at the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited facility in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. This comes after the successful delivery of the first batch of 27,000 rifles produced locally under the joint venture. India has become the first country outside Russia to manufacture the AK-200 series assault rifles. This signifies a significant step towards self-reliance in defense equipment production. Next, glide bombs, a game changer in India's defense strategies. The war in Ukraine has cast a spotlight on the growing importance of glide bombs, a cost-effective and highly destructive weapon. While the conflict unfolds thousands of kilometers away, it holds valuable lessons for India, a nation that has actively developed and deployed its own glide bombs arsenal. India boasts 2 indigenous glide bomb options, the DRDO SAAW and the Gaurav Gautam series. The SAAW, designed to neutralize airfields and fortified structure, boasts a 100 kilometer range. The Gaurav and Gautam offer varying weight and range capabilities, with Gautam reaching a staggering 550 km with potential for further extension. Actually, India utilizes the Israeli Spice series and French Hammer glide bombs, proven effective during the Balakot airstrike. Next, new vertical focused on robotics, unmanned systems, and space. In a significant move to bolster India's technological landscape, India's accelerator has announced the launch of a new vertical dedicated to robotics, unmanned systems, and the space technologies. This initiative aims to foster innovative and support startups in these cutting-edge domains, positioning India as a key player in the global tech arena. Thank you.